Hi there. I'm an AI clone of MoodUp CEO Danny Stefanik, and today I wanted to talk about one of the four components of a hybrid event: engagement. There's one key rule when it comes to virtual and hybrid event engagement, and that is people first. Always keep engagement as a whole top of mind, whether you are using an immersive 3D virtual platform or just a 2D or 2.5D. You may have to work extra with the last two if you want a memorable, engaging experience because they offer fewer engagement opportunities and features. And here are the areas where the two worlds overlap, creating hybrid experience. Metrics. The information you receive from hybrid events is key for you, your sponsors, and your partners. This includes data from polling, voting, surveys, interactivity tracking, and much more. Collaboration tools. How do you want your attendees to interact with the content and each other? For example, audio and video calls, text chat, two-player actions, interactive objects, or whiteboards, to name a few. Gamification. This can be anything from minigames, scavenger hunts, or escape rooms. Sharing results between the two worlds will most definitely unify them. Social and networking. Depending on the platform you use virtually, this can be easier if you're using a 3D platform or more difficult if you're using a 2D or 2.5D. Allow your participants to explore the event environment, network, and engage with each other. Swag. Whether you go with a 100% virtual swag bag or send one to your attendees, you'll want to ensure you choose products your guests will enjoy. Here's a tip from MoodUp. Swag bags have received a bad rap over the years because they tend to contain things people don't need or want. Keep this in mind as you're putting together your virtual swag. This may seem like a lot to consider, but remember, once you set up the framework, it's a repeat process you can only improve on with your future events. Meanwhile, I have 3 other videos on hybrid event components, so be sure to check them out.